In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Canada to UAE bank account. So to do this, I recommend you use Wise because Wise is one of the easiest, fastest, and cheapest ways to do this. It's especially cheap if you go ahead and create your Wise account with the link down in the description, because by doing so, you will get your first international transfer without any fees. Yes, you heard it right. You'll get free transfer. No hidden fees, no catch. It's that simple. Just click the link to sign up or log in, and you're all set to enjoy this exclusive offer. After creating an account using the link below, you can see this interface. Now click on Send. In here, where it says Use Send, select your currency. Meanwhile, in here, where it says Recipient Gets, select the recipient's currency. Then pick how much you would like to send in terms of your currency. So for this one, I'll select this. Then here, you'll see my fee and the specific transfer. Now this may be lower for you if you use my link, and the money should arrive in seconds. So that's very fast as well. Then go ahead and click on Continue. Now choose if you are sending to yourself or someone else. I will pick someone else. Now here, enter their email and select if you know their bank details. If you do, just go and fill in those bank details right here. And if you don't, just fill in the full name of the account holder and the recipient's preferred language, and then they will receive an email where they can fill in their bank details and receive the money that way. So then the money will be deposited directly into their bank account without them needing a Wise account. So then click on Confirm, review it, and actually go ahead and pay for it. And after you pay for it, after paying for it, there you have successfully sent the money to your receiver. So that's how to transfer money from Canada to UAE bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you on the next video.